So this is the second monitor, and what I will do is first I will open one live view. Okay, for example, I open this live view and I will make this one as four view just to show you. Then I will go again to the second live view, another live view where I can make see, this one will be, so this one will be 16 view. Okay, so I make two. One is live view 1 with 16 and another one live view 2 with 4. So what I will do, this 4 will, I will drag this one like this, and then you can see here it coming here. Okay, so this one will be here and this one will be here. So that means you can make it like this, 4 separate live view tab and drag and drop with the EZ station. Thank you.